Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a new day, and a new day means a new video. So y'all, in today's video I am going to show you how I get this look. I decided to do like colorful eyes since it is Pride month, in honor of Pride, of the LGBTQ family, community, and all that. So y'all, if you want to know how I get this look, keep on watching. But if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you do recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. It'll be right there. And let's just get into the video. It's Pride month, y'all, so we are going to do colorful rainbow eye look, and then like lip gloss on the lips, because I want people to focus on my eyes right now, because like yes. So as you know, Gyvenchabeauty palette have like literally every colors. But I swear that's how kids at my school be like, why you keep staring at me? Okay guys, enough about them. But we are going to get this look started. So y'all, colorful eye look. Let's just fix this brow. Gyvenchabeauty palette. So y'all, I don't know, start with yellow first. I'm gonna start with yellow. So yellow. Should I order like neon colors? Cause like this is what's like happening right now. Everyone is like using neon eyeshadow except for me. Like I don't want to be like about other people. I just want to do me. I just want to do my own thing. But neon eyeshadow is super cute. And I'm gonna go with the orange. They are super cute, like not gonna lie, they are. And then red. I'm gonna go with purple. And then I'm gonna go with pink. So I'm gonna cut the crease. Oh yes, this looks so bomb. Okay y'all, now that you have your crease all like snatch, I am gonna go with the fucking brushes. You know, like when you wash all your brushes and now you don't know which one to use. Me right now, me. I don't know what I was thinking washing my brushes. I'm using white eyeshadow. So y'all, I went ahead and I did the rainbow and all that, and I did the other eye. So cute, so gorgeous. Oh, feeling myself. But let's continue with this video. Gonna use the concealer under my eye to hide, because we have to hide those dark circles, bad decisions, mistakes, all this stuff. You know, I've come to realize that, y'all, people move on. Like, people eventually just move on, and that you should not waste your time on somebody that honestly don't care about you, or like that does not show any interest, like does not show any like interest in like any kind of things in like being with you, or like trying to build with you, or like I'm just gonna put this so I can snatch up the face, y'all, because you know I don't bake, but I also don't like. And then I just take the remaining and put it under like the eyes. My allergies are so bad, y'all. So sorry. I'm just gonna brush the powder off my face with my Farrah powder brush. My allergies are getting real bad. I'm trying to finish this tutorial because I am feeling really like my eyes are like feeling really watery. Just highlight. And I'm just gonna put lip gloss, y'all, and this is from LA Color. So y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. So